Hi guys, this is Jennifer Terri. I'm a Philippine Travel Update. Quarantine hotel, sana nga wala ng quarantine. But unfortunately guys, as of speaking, October, majority of you, mga taga-US, taga-Europe, Saudi Arabia, UAE, UK, Japan, Australia, not New Zealand, Qatar, Germany, Italy, yan, Kuwait, you guys are all yellow countries. So kahit pa fully vaccinated kayo, you need to quarantine. Okay? If you're coming from a yellow country, like those countries that I mentioned earlier, you still need to quarantine. Okay? Even if fully vaccinated na. So how many days, Jennifer? If you're fully vaccinated po, 6 days. So meaning, you need to book for 5 nights in the quarantine hotel. Okay? Ilang araw ang ibubook pag fully vaccinated? 5 nights. While if you're unvaccinated, so 8 days po if you're unvaccinated and if you're traveling with unvaccinated children. Yes, sa mga uuwi dyang family, even if both parents or both guardians are fully vaccinated, you need to follow the unvaccinated protocol because the children are unvaccinated. And yeah. Alright, don't forget guys how you bring your proof of vaccination, yung digital certificate, pwede sa phone, or yung digital or vaccination certificate or card na printed. Alright, now quarantine hotels, remember guys that you need to book in an accredited hotel, not just any hotel, okay? You need to look at the list of BOQ. So for Manila, there's Bureau of Quarantine. Quarantine hotels, I'll have this link sa website in the description box. So before you book in a hotel, you need to make sure na accredited siya for quarantine. While if you're arriving in Cebu, meron ding list. Lagay ko sa baba guys. Clark, Lawag, Subic, Davao, lahat yan may list of accredited quarantine hotels. How to book? First, you book directly with the hotel. So you contact the hotel. Some hotels have their own website. You can book through third-party service like Agoda, Booking.com, Hotel.com, you know guys, third-party. Then, pwede din, if your family in the Philippines, they can also make the booking. As long as you have the booking confirmation. That's very important because they will look for that upon check-in, okay? Before arrival in the Philippines, Non OFWs, Balikbayans, and foreigners, you need hotel booking. No hotel booking, no boarding. Take note guys that the hotels that I'm going to mention here are recommended by kababayans po. This is not just some hotel I found on the internet. Recommended po ito. Alright, no more sat-sat, Jennifer. What are your recommended quarantine hotels? Some of these are cheap, some are mid-range. Let's start with Spaces by Eco Hotel in Makati. The rate starts at 1,800 per night. So you can book directly through their website po. Yeah, that's Spaces by Eco Hotel Makati. Next up, there's Valero Grand Suites. Now, this one is highly recommended by a lot of travelers. According to one kababayan, highly recommended this big and super clean hotel that I stayed. Okay for couple and mag-ina. Sobrang bait ng mga helpful staff at malakas ang internet. Yan, Valero Grand Suites guys. They have a kitchen, small kitchen, merong hot water. There's a big 3 liter daw of water. I don't know how many liters. 10 liters, I guess. What else? They have a sink. There's a small fridge. Yan, may cabinets. Yeah, maganda siya, guys. And I highly recommend this for families. Maganda. Magkano sa Valero Grand Suites? This one is mid-range, so I recommend this for families. They have a quarantine package for single occupancy for one person, 24,500. This already includes your 6-day stay or 5 nights for the fully vaccinated travelers. It includes full board meals and airport pickup and RT-PCR test. So it's everything you need. 24,500 pesos. While for double occupancy, if you're 2 people traveling, you want to quarantine together, it's 31,000 pesos. But this one has a lot of good reviews. I don't think you will regret booking at this hotel. Next one is RedDoorz Quarantine Hotel. So RedDoorz is a budget hotel. Okay, budget po. Okay, ito is para sa mga nagtitipid. So RedDoorz po, they have 3 quarantine hotels in Manila. There's Hotel. There's RedDoorz in Phase 2 Taguig. There's RedDoorz in Pasay. Yan guys, so you can book directly to their website. They're very cheap. Starting is like 1,100 pesos per night. There's also full board meals, 450. So mura talaga ito yung RedDoorz guys. Next up is Eurotel Hotel. They have 3 branches for quarantine hotels. There's EDSA Shaw, Cubao, Las Piñas, North EDSA, 4 pala. Starting nila guys, 1,500 pesos per night. Yan. Starting yan guys ha. So there's this email and their website. You can book directly. Yeah, these are actual pictures of our kababayans who stay there. They have a small fridge. Yan. May vanity mirror, small TV. Yep. No food outside allowed. And according to our kababayan, it's not good for kids. Indeed. Especially if you have kids who are used to food abroad. No, it's an adjustment for them to eat food here in the Philippines. Kaya, if you have kids, I don't know guys, I think it's really much better if food deliveries outside are allowed. Next up is Go Hotel. Go Hotel is pretty popular. They're decent, they're budget, but they're also clean. According to our kababayan who stayed there, outside deliveries were allowed. Everything basic you need for a decent hotel quarantine is provided. It's comfortable, yan, big spacious rooms. Okay, there's no kitchen guys, there's no fridge. So Go Hotels have actually quite a few number of hotels that accept international travelers for quarantine. So pwede kayong mag-pick sa either Go Hotel Ermita, Ortigas, Otis, Airport, North EDSA, and Timog. You can book directly through their website, gohotels.ph, or they also have their email, this one. So starting in Go Hotels is 1,500 per night. So, iba-iba siya, guys. This one in Go Hotel Airport Road, this one really is fast. Mabilis siyang ma-fully book. Kasi, I mean, it's close to the airport. Next up is MySpace BGC. According to your kababayan, it's quite clean. No ref, no balcony. Pero pwede magpa-deliver ng food outside. There's electric kettle, hot and cold shower, desk with chair. So MySpace BGC is at 1,700 pesos per night with breakfast. They have a Facebook page, they have an email. Pwede kayo magpabook and mag-inquire. Next up is 5880 or 5880 Enriquez Residences. Now this one also is very popular. Maraming nagsistay dito guys. Their starting rate is at 1,750 pesos per night. According to our kababayan, super bait at helpful na mga staff. Merong balcony at paminsan-minsan makapag-inhale ka ng ibang hangin sa labas ng room. Ibang hangin talaga. So yan guys, happy and contented. Our travelers stayed here in 5880 Enriquez Residences. So this one is really popular. Mabilis ma-fully book ito na hotel. So if you want to stay here or inquire, here's their email, info@5880enriquez.com. Next up we have is Manila Grand Opera Hotel. This one is at 2,500 pesos per night with full board meals. Pero ito guys, mabilis din ma-fully book. They have their own website to book. Yan, Manila Grand Opera Hotel. Next up is Red Planet Hotel. This one is also popular. This is also a budget hotel sa mga nagtitipid dyan. Starting is at 1,500 pesos per night. Meals can be 250 pesos per meal or 750 pesos plus for full board meals. Daily yan guys ha. So they have Red Planet Asiana, Aurora Boulevard, Makati, Ortigas, and Mabini. Yan, they have their own website to book. That's Red Planet Hotel. So this is an example of the pictures, guys. Our kababayan is so happy to stay here in Red Planet. According to her, they always serve with rice, three dishes, veggies, fruits with pandesal in the morning. You can request no rice or any substitution. One-time grocery delivery is allowed. Wi-Fi, no problem at all. Super lakas. I work from home. That's good to know for anyone who is concerned about strong internet, tapos cheap. Oh, ito. Red Planet Manila Bay. Yan. This is also close to the US Embassy. They have mini fridge and electric kettle. Alright, all good. Next up, we have Time Travelers Hotel. This one is also a good hotel. Cheap hotel, no? Budget. So their rate starts at 1,985 with full board meals. Extra 400 pesos for the second person if dalawa kayo. Now, for those asking, Jennifer, pwede ba family mag-quarantine sa isang hotel? Yes, pwede guys. Allowed yan. Hotel is Selah. According to Malu, September 5, she arrived and she said that malinis pati CR, maganda at mabango din ang room. Malakas ang aircon, mababait ang staff, pwede pa bili ng needs mo. Okay, this one is in Selah Pods. So there is Selah Loft Pasay, there's Selah Pods Pasay, and then there's Selah Garden Hotel. In Selah Hotel, if you want to arrange for Selah Loft hotels, that's 2,200 pesos with full board meals. While in Selah Garden, they have a package of 2,500 pesos with full board meals. Next hotel, this one is not so cheap. I don't know how to pronounce. Saitadin. Sorry if I mispronounce it, but Saitadin's Hotel. This one is not cheap, half. So 3,800 pesos per night with full board meals. 2 people with full board meals, 4,800 po per night in Saitadin's Hotel. There's Saitadin's Makati, Manila Bay, and then there's one in Ortigas. According to Joyce, the staff are super friendly and very accommodating. The room is clean and has a large window. Breakfast included, and you can order food from outside or get a room service. Yan. Sounds good. Sounds like it's worth it. Next up we have is Elan Hotel. Our kababayan is very happy to share in this hotel that food deliveries were allowed and the staff were very caring and accommodating. They have packages. So if you want room only, 2,500. But if you want full board meals, 2,888. This one is Elan Hotel Annapolis. Yan guys. You can book through their website or through Agoda or third-party sites guys. Take note lang guys ha. Please, if you have any special requests or inquiries, contact the hotel directly. Next up is Y2 Residence Hotel Manila. This one is also popular because the room is spacious. According to our kababayan, they are very accommodating and mababait ang staff. In Y2 Residence, they have a quarantine package po. For quarantine package with Studio Deluxe, 281 pesos, 2,851 pesos per night with full board meal. So again po, this is a studio type apartment, okay? It has kitchen, it has a dining area, and yeah, it's 2,851 with full board meal. So I think this is a good price for Studio Deluxe, no? That's my recommended quarantine hotel. Some are cheap, some are mid-range, but I can tell you that these hotels po are highly recommended. They're good hotels. It won't feel like Bartolina. Sana it will feel like staycation, no? And other airports pala na i-mention ko na lang. For those who will arrive in Cebu, check out Quest Hotel or Appleton. Yan, mga popular yan. Escario Central Hotel sa Cebu, maganda din daw. Sa Clark, maganda daw din yung Dalian Peak Hotel. Maganda din yung Red Planet sa Clark. Yun, guys. So that is all for this video, guys. I hope na nakatulong. I hope this helped you. Don't forget to like this video, share it to anyone who will be traveling to the Philippines, and stay safe. God bless. Don't forget to subscribe. Hindi pa nakasubscribe, I make Philippine travel updates. If you follow my channel, your travel to the Philippines will be smooth. Char. Okay guys, I'll see you in another video. Stay safe and God bless. Bye!